The most important applications of the for loop are used while printing patterns. While printing patterns, we need to always approach the sum in a way to think about how many rows are required, how many columns are required, whether any spaces are present in between the between the elements. So in this, let's take this example of this problem. Here there is no space in between the elements. So how many rows are there? 5 rows and maximum of 5 columns. And always remember that the outer loop represents the rows and the inner loop represents the column. Starting from I equals to 0, I less than equals to 4 and I plus plus updation 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You may write it this as I equals to 1 and I less than equals to 4, 5. So let's keep it like this only. In j equals to 1, j less than equals to I am explaining this. J less than equals to I, it's because while here you may see that for row number 2 there are 2 columns, for row number 3 there are 3 columns, for 4 columns, and accordingly. So therefore what is represent, like the columns will be 1 to I. When I is 1, then the star, when the first star will be printed. When I is 2, then 2 stars, and then accordingly. To print it, we will use system.out.print. System.out.print star, as we are printing the star pattern. And now system.out.print ln. This system.out.print ln will help the stars to form like this: the star 1, and then in the next line 2, then after iteration completes, then third line, fourth line, like this. So let's run it once again. So we may see that the pattern is printed. Okay. Wait, 1 second, I am displaying it because it's clumsy. Yeah. If we changes this print to print ln, there will be error in the code. There will be no runtime error or logical error, but the pattern which we require to print, it will not be the same. I am showing. What will happen, just see that the output is a bit different. So it's not a bit different, it's a completely different, as the stars are printing in respective lines, but we require a triangle one, a left aligned triangle, and for that we use print instead of print ln. And if we use like as a mistake print ln, it's a big mistake. So please avoid that mistake. Yeah, thank you.